Paganini. I can't find it. He signed it. I need it from the... No. Where is it?
Looking for this?
Hey, give it back. Give it back.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Return it. It's my limited.
Ow. What just happened?
I finally got it back. She returned it.
What?
My limited edition Paganini.
No. Great. Now that you've already interrupted our video, do you just want to be in it?
Sure, I guess.
We were looking for a meal to make.
Why don't we make piadine?
What's that?
Did someone just say piadine? I love piadine. Okay, I'm sorry for shutting you down, by the way. I'm gonna get some ice.
Oh, thanks.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel.
Sorry about that. Okay. Anyway, today we will be making piadine.
With Mackenzie and Lance.
And I'm Sophia, she's Clara, by the way.
Since when did this turn into your channel?
Since I pushed out of the camera frame. Duh! Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then do all the fancy stuff that gives us support, because we really need support, by the way.
Let's get on with the video.
Great.
Well, in order to start, we need the ingredients.
And now let's make it.
All this stuff looks very, very complicated for someone who does not know how to cook.
What?
Oh yeah, I don't know how to cook, by the way.
You wanted to participate in the introduction and you interrupted our video and you didn't even know how to cook?
Yeah, basically, you just said it all.
It's not that hard. We can just teach her.
Guess you're right. All right, guess you're back in. Come on, let's get started.
Yay!
So let's start with the flatbread. In a liquid measuring cup, whisk together a 1/4 cup of the water and the yogurt. In a food processor, combine the flour, salt, and baking powder. Process for 5 seconds. Add the lard or the shortening and process until combined. About 10 seconds. With the processor running, add the yogurt mixture. With the processor still running, add the remaining water 1 tablespoon at a time until the dough forms a smooth, moist ball, about 1 minute.
Divide the dough into 4 pieces. Roll each into a ball, then cover it with plastic wrap. Let rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare toppings.
Roll each dough ball into a 10-inch round. Poke the surfaces all over with a fork. Heat a 12-inch cast iron skillet over medium until a drop of water sizzles immediately. 4 to 6 minutes. One at a time, place a dough round in the skillet and cook until the bottom is charred in spots, 1 to 2 minutes. Using tongs, flip and cook for 30 seconds. Transfer to a plate and cover loosely with foil.
Now for the toppings. In a 12-inch non-stick skillet over medium, cook the beef, stirring and breaking up the meat until beginning to brown, 2 to 3 minutes. Add the onion, bell pepper, pepper flakes, paprika, cumin, 2 teaspoons salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Cook, stirring occasionally for 5 minutes. Add the tomatoes and cook until most of the liquid has evaporated, about 8 minutes.
In a small bowl, whisk together the yogurt and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. In a medium bowl, combine the parsley, mint, and the remaining 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper.
All right, now let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
Yoo-hoo!
I'm hungry. Yay!
Yeah,
I'm
me
hungry
too.
too. Yeah, come on.
Let's go.
We gotta go
This
'cause
way.
I'm hungry. Come on.
Okay, now we are going to
Plate.
yes
And taste.
and taste.
This is good.
Okay, so you guys have to show me how I'm going to make my flatbread.
First,
So-
you need the red thing.
This sauce. Okay.
Yes.
Do I put it like in the middle or on the side?
Put
On
it
the
around the
side,
side,
probably?
like there. Yeah.
Okay.
But I mean, it's you can put it the way you want to put it,
There we go.
kind of,
Okay.
Good.
and as much as you want, and then
Put the white.
sauce.
All right. So the yogurt sauce.
Yeah. We didn't exactly follow the recipe because
Cause why not?
Yeah, we put the mint inside the yogurt sauce, and then we're gonna top it with parsley. So we kind of just mixed it.
yeah.
Okay.
And we used less
Alright.
Oh yeah.
And now parsley.
Parsley. Okay.
Just as much as you like.
Okay.
If you like parsley, you can have a lot. If you don't have to have it.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Now you fold it.
Fold it like this way.
Yeah.
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
And
Ooh,
then
wow.
And you pick it up and eat it.
Wow. Look at that. That's so cool.
This looks good.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Well, let's taste it.
It's really huge. Are you guys ready?
I'm not sure.
Oh, sorry, I took the first bite before.
It's okay. Okay. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
It's good. This is good.
Mmm.
Really good.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect amount of spice.
I
By
think
the
it's
way, we
even
added
better when
less.
you make it.
Mm-hmm. We added less spice and we also doubled the recipe. But yeah, it's amazing. So good. Thank you guys for the recipe.
Welcome. Thank you for having us.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. I'm glad you guys happened to run through our videos so we could have you guys offer a great recipe. All right, well,
And take over our channel.
and take over our channel, but that's true.
We fixed that part. It's not like that anymore.
Yeah,
Actually, maybe
we
it is.
figured it out. We've discussed. Anyways, bye. See you guys next time, and I hope you try it and tag us on Instagram or Facebook.
Yeah, guys.